This is a videotape inspection of a Tsugami BS20B Mark III CNC Swiss lathe. This is machine with serial number 1016. It has Fanuc LK1 control, and we're going to run it through a program to demonstrate its capabilities. This is the front side. The main spindle is at 5,000 RPM. The live tools are at 3,000 and the main index is going in C. Back up. Take a look at the sub. Sub spindle is also at 5,000 RPM. Parts catcher. This concludes our video inspection of this Tsugami BS20B Mark III.